Navan Machine, your reliable partner for complete filling line solutions. We specialize in complete filling lines, with independent production lines, for each of the 9 major categories, each running stably and efficiently. Mineral water, carbonated drinks, liquor, wine, juice, gallon barrel, beer, milk, edible oil. Headquartered in Jiangsu, China, with a branch office in Rwanda and sub-offices in Russia and the Philippines. We provide on-site installation services for filling lines to meet your local needs. Our international sales department is on call 24/7, providing timely and professional support for your filling line needs anytime, anywhere.